Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about free domain giving websites. I know 2 websites. These are free for forever. No need to give credit card details. Fully free. So, let's go to video. First website is Duck DNS website. You can find website link in the description. After you going to website, you have several methods to sign up. I use Google. You can get 5 free domains in free account. Let's create one. Type name for your subdomain here. Click on Add Domain. Now your domain is created. You can add IP4 or IP6 address. Your domain represents this address. Type here. Now click on Update IP. Now IP is updated. Second website is No IP. You can find websites link in the description. Click on Sign Up Now. I use Google. You can get 1 domain. Click on Hostname used. Click on Create Hostname. Type name for your domain. If you have IP4 address, choose DNS host as record type. If you have IP6 address, choose AAAA as record type. Type your address here. Domain represents this. Now click on Create Hostname. Your domain is created. If you want to change address, click on Modify. Change it and click on Update Hostname.